If Reykjavik is a great strolling city, and it really is, probably the best street to stroll is this one, Laugavegur. This is sort of the main walking, shopping, dining, and nightlife strip running through the middle of Reykjavik. It's just a delightful place to window shop, drop into a cafe, maybe buy a parka if you forgot to pack warm enough, go to a restaurant, look at menus for dinner later tonight. When I'm in Iceland, I like to kind of develop a local routine where I really feel like I'm part of the community. One of the things I do is I find my favorite places to go for breakfast every morning. My favorite coffee shop, which is just off of Laugavegur Street, is called Reykjavík Roasters. Really top quality third wave gourmet coffee that rivals anything you can get in Seattle. And then right across the street in this wildly graffitied building is my favorite bakery in Reykjavik. It's called Brauð og Co., Bread and Company. And it has fantastic sort of Scandinavian style sweet rolls, cinnamon buns, that sort of thing. So every morning I love to go get my coffee at Reykjavik Roasters and get my cinnamon bun and sit out and enjoy being part of Reykjavik life. So really try to become part of the culture. Another thing that's interesting that you'll really notice in Reykjavik is fantastic street art. And this is something you'll see in other parts of Europe as well, which is that civic authorities and homeowners have found if you give somebody a big blank wall, it's only a matter of time before someone comes and tags it with ugly graffiti. And so they actually commission street artists to come and create beautiful murals instead, because if they don't create the art on these buildings, somebody else is going to come and mark it up however they see fit. And what they find is the graffiti taggers respect that. If it's been decorated by an artist, they're not going to deface the art. So it's really enjoyable, especially to get off on the back streets of Reykjavik and explore some of the great street art that you find here.